Assalamualaikum friends. Today's topic is Salah, in which we forget our greatness, reunion the peace, elude our world troubles that one moment we breath, in which we invoke more and more with infinite love and bless that we carry out. We prayers should pray properly, which is really important for us. So we need to know what are wrong things to minimize our mistake level. Let's go all together around the 9 mistakes are made while praying. Going to mosque by running, because we are procrastinator. We usually go to mosque right before the azan. If in that moment azan is being recited, we run to mosque to keep up with the community. That is one of the mistakes we do, but can't realize. Our Prophet, peace be upon him, tells in one of his sentences, go to Salah by walking. If you catch up with Imam, you pray. If not, you complete it. Another mistake is praying nafila after Qamet is recited. Prophet tells in another sentence, there is no praying except for Salah after Qamet is recited. While starting to pray, not raising hands enough is one of the mistakes too. According to a rumor, while the Prophet stands up to pray, he used to raise his hands on his shoulders high, looking left and right during praying. When Prophet was asked about provision looking around during Salah, he says that devil grabs an amount of his Salah and moves it. One of the mistakes that is being done and can't be realized by many people is raising our feet during prostration. Our sire tells, prostrating on 7 bones became an order. 2 of these are feet toes, so we need to take care of our toes staying on the ground. Praying fasts, it's one of the biggest mistakes, and people who don't remunerate Salah, they don't know the mistake they are making. Our Prophet tells in one of his sentences, the thieves who are headmost are those who steal from their own Salah. Putting elbows on the ground during prostration. Our sire tells, one of you during prostration mustn't upholster like a dog does, combine your thighs. Another mistake that is made is not inclining enough during ruku and not straightening up after ruku. Lastly, the mistake we witness it many times, especially on Friday Salah, is passing in front of a person while he is praying. Our Prophet tells in one of his sentences, if the person knew how much sin he took by passing in front of a prayer, he would find better staying 40 years instead of passing. Dear friends, we must know topics like Salah, fasting and Zakah. To fulfill such worship like this, we need to have knowledge of them. May Allah grant us to fulfill our worship. Assalamu alaikum.